morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
So my name is Sarsij Mishra.
Sarsij Mishra. And what's your name?
My name is Sanjana Patel.
Sanjana Patel. So names are Sarsij Mishra and Sanjana Patel. Okay.
Yes,
Sarsij Mishra, your code is 13A,
Okay, sir.
and Sanjana, your code is 13B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, Sarsij Mishra, please tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Sarsij Mishra. I am a student of class 12th D from Kausambi Presidency School, Bharwari. Today I am here for my English ASL. My hobbies are painting, sketching and writing poems.
Okay. And what's your aim of life?
So my aim is to become a social worker.
Okay. Social work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very nice. Now, Sanjana Patel, please tell me something about
Okay, sir.
yourself.
My name is Sanjana Patel. I live in Muradganj, Kaushambi, and my hobby is reading, traveling, and listening music. And I want to serve my nation as a civil servant. I am an FA graduate.
Okay. Your hobby is reading books.
Reading books,
Which
traveling,
types
and
of
listening.
books?
Some non-fiction book, like
Non-fiction.
motivational books, and
Okay.
listening and listening successfully stories.
Okay, and you want to become an IS officer.
Yes, sir.
So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Now let's move our next task, that is topic presentation.
Yes.
Okay, Sarsij and Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
At first, Sarsij will finish her topic.
Yes, sir.
When she will finish her topic, you will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. Okay, so would you like to begin your topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So today I am opportunate to present my topic in front of you. My topic is a very heart-touching topic, and it is lack of decision making in education. Many times we see that when there is a option of choosing career or subjects to the students or individual, they are pressurized by their parents, guardians, or sometimes teachers also. They are forced to choose a particular stream, for an example maths and bio, etc. So this is a lack of decision making in their life that led a low result and academic performance, whereas the studies says that when someone is provided the opportunity to make their own life decision, then they can do much better and they get satisfied and motivated too. Whereas we can see in society many of the aspirants of NEETs, UPSC, etc. are attempting suicide. This is all because of lack of decision making, because they are pressurized to do something and they are not enjoying their work. They are just forced to do that, and that also reduces the result and academic performance, and that is why they are attempting suicide. So this is I can say this is against humanity. For an example, a very basic example I'm taking here, that students are forced by their parents to choose maths or bio, that they consider that these subjects are much better and have much career opportunities than humanities, whereas humanities itself is a very vast topic, and which teaches us social lives and make a human being more social and provide us social justice, etc. So these kinds of stereotypes are making people with the lack of decision making people very unmatured and lack of motivation.
Very nice. Now, Sanjana, would you
Yes,
like
sir.
to ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, Sarsij, as you have told us about humanities, and you also the student of humanities.
Yes.
So, can you tell me why humanities is beneficial?
Humanities is not just a subject to study, it is a subject that makes a human being, a social person. It makes a person knows who has the knowledge about the culture, literature, have the knowledge of debate, psychology, sociology, human beings, etc. From my personal experience, I can say I have got many knowledge of the human nature, etc. from humanities. So because of stereotypes, we should not underestimate this subjects as well.
Okay. Now, Sarsij, can you tell me where you have seen lack of decision making?
So the first example that I have given is that choosing the subjects. So many of the students, the classmates with different streams told me that they wanted to choose humanities, but
Do you-
their parents forced
Do
them.
you also have these types of?
No, sir, I am fortunate because my parents and my brother is very supporting, and he said the subject you enjoy the most.
Already
should
you
be
have
yours.
decided what to do.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very nice. Now, Sanjana, you are going to tell us about your topic. When Sanjana will finish her topic, Sarsij, you will ask some questions,
Okay,
and also I will ask some more questions.
Okay,
so, would
sir.
you like to begin your topic?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for providing me opportunity to present my opinion about the competition crosser. So
Yeah.
I have chose this topic because competition is not just unique to workplace. I have seen it in all the sphere of life, like as a student, professionals, and even in couples or monk also are competing with each other. So what I think that instead of comparing or competing with other, we have to go with oneself, and we have to compare ourselves with our own self, not with any other. So as when we try to compare or compete, then nothing happen. A feeling of anger generate in us, and this feeling of anger slowly convert into jealousy. And what happened, we feel jealous, and this feeling of jealousy start eating us from inside. And this feeling is not going to harm someone else but our own self. If we are not acting on this feeling, then this feeling will extend that much that it will take the part of envy. And envy is a root of competition in which any person can go to that much extent that they can do anything to take place of another person with whom he or she is competing. So in this way, unhealthy competition is generating, which is not good, not even for us, not for this society. What we need to do, just do healthy competition. Like people with close mindset, they try to compete with other, and they compare themselves with other, try to beat them in their field. But people with open minded just compare or compete with their own self. In this way, they are trying to create better version of themselves. As politics is in every field, what we need to do is to be friendly with the people who are all around
Okay,
us.
now sir.
Of competition that you are facing in your life?
Yeah, sir. See, there are many type of competition I have seen, like in school, in my neighborhood. So in my neighborhood, if I tell, then there is a competition that much as I have 10 competition take part of in we. So I have seen that people, when my father get day by day getting successful, then they feel jealous, and
Okay.
they in feeling of envy generated. But what
Do
I
you face this types of problem in your classes also, in your
Yeah, sir.
schools?
I was just going to tell that.
Sometime.
Yes, sir. In my class, I have seen that competition is not that much extended. People try to compete, students trying to compete with each other, but they're trying to grow themselves. When they see that other students are doing good, they feel happy for them. And even what happened that they are not feeling jealous. They try to develop themselves in their own field in which they are talented or
Okay,
they are.
very nice. Let's move our next task, that is problem solving task.
Okay, sir.
I am going to provide you an information. Both of you discuss about the information about the problem, and after that you have to tell me your opinions, your suggestions, your solutions. So first of all, you read the information and discuss together each other, and after that tell me the solution.
Your friend is very shy and doesn't take part in extracurricular activities or sports at school. His parents are worried that he doesn't mix with others but studies all the time. With your partner, discuss what might be the reason for this.
Okay, sir. So I think there can be many reasons behind it. First reason is that maybe in childhood he has faced any such accident, like whenever he tried to participate in any extracurricular activities. So he was treated by his teacher, or his friend tried to tease him. So because of that, he is never trying this again, never tried to overcome from this fear. And second thing is maybe his parents had never given him such an opportunity to explore himself. So this can be reason behind it. So second question is what you can.
Sarsis, are you agree with the opinions
Yes,
of
sir.
Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So sir says, I have also a question for you. What you can say or do to encourage your friend to interact with others?
As a friend,
Okay,
what
sir.
will you
Yeah.
do?
So first of all, we will motivate him or her and provide him such opportunities to get connected to people and get more friendly, so that he can share his thoughts to the people. And we will provide him the opportunities for such like debates, speech, and we will provide motivations. So parents, sir, sometime, because if
As a friend.
yes, sir, because giving suggestion is very important, because if the parents would not provide that atmosphere at home where he spend most of the time, he would not be able to remove his shyness and open
Yes.
his people.
Parents, okay, very nice. You have done your task very well,
Thank you, sir.
and now you may go now.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.